President Obama, the Justice Department argues that immigration is a job for the feds. The Republican governor in this state, Jan Brewer, says the feds haven't done enough, but it is the real lack of immigration reform that has filled so many Arizonans with anger and now so many Latinos with fear. Outside the Maricopa County Jail this morning, vacant tents raised to hold the expected surge of immigrants without papers. And around Hispanic neighborhoods, vacant apartments, struggling businesses, and empty school desks. Proof that the threat of a crackdown has caused an exodus now that a busted taillight or suspicious behavior could lead to deportation.
Diplomacy may be the greatest asset in these days to come.
As cops across the state study instructional videos on the new law, protesters paint their signs and organize, some vowing civil disobedience. A decade ago, 1.6 million illegal immigrants were captured on the Mexican border. Last year, that number was just over 500,000, down 65%. Beefed up security and the recession have actually made American borders more secure than any time in decades. But when jobs are scarce and a rancher is murdered by smugglers, frustration boils. And caught in the middle are people who have been here for decades. The mother of Daniel Rodriguez brought him across the border when he was 6. What do you say to the person who says you are breaking the law by being in this country?
I think I will tell that person that the laws do not make sense. I didn't commit any moral wrong by being 6.5 and coming with my family here and not making any decision to come. And in fact, I think it's immoral for somebody to try to punish me.
Also caught in the middle, Arizona's top cop who opposes the new law while running against the Republican incumbent for governor. If you are opposed to this law as Attorney General, how can ultimately you enforce it?
My policy concerns are not relevant to my oath to defend and protect the laws of the state. I have urged the legislature, the governor, to focus on the crimes on the border. That's what I believe should be job one, and this doesn't do it. It distracts law enforcement's resources into a whole new area.
And Attorney General Goddard argues that this will also drive a wedge between the Latino community and law enforcement. And what's interesting, George, while now local and state cops will be able to arrest suspected illegal immigrants, there it's still the federal job, still ICE's job to deport them. And if they don't fully cooperate, that could make for some crowded jails and some tough decisions.
That's right, which is one of the reasons they're building new temporary jails as well. Okay, Bill, thanks very much.